Hey traders, it's Sean from E-Mini School, and I'm going to break down Apple on a weekly chart. Okay, now there's a lot on this chart, so we'll start from the beginning. Don't get too overwhelmed right here with everything. Now what I'm doing is I'm breaking down the time and the price, okay, to give me symmetry from 03, okay, to this high at 07. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get a symmetry to see if there's any relevance over here, okay, based on the whole symmetry, okay, to try to see if this is a relevant top. Okay, so first we'll start with, it's hard to see here, but there's a low right here on 414.03. Okay, from this low to this high is 143 bars. Okay, now from this high, we correct down, and we have another impulsive leg to this high for 76 bars. Okay, so we'll divide 143 divided by 76 gives us 1.88. So that's on the impulsive side. Now, on the correction side, from this high to this low, 25 bars. From this high to this low, 47 bars. 47 divided by 25 equals 1.88. So there's 1.88 time symmetry. So if I extend from this low to this high back to this low, put in the 1.88 extension, you'll see how price terminated at the 1.88. So there's price and time relevance right here, 1.88. Okay, so breaking it down even further, the points per bar from this move up here is basically 56 cents. Okay, 55.97. The points per bar from this low to this high, 2.0105. So basically $2 per bar. So we'll go the $2 per bar divided by the 60 cents per bar gives us 3.59. 3.59 divided by 2, because there's two legs, okay, equals 1.79. Close to 1.8. Okay, 1.8 is close to 1.88. So there's some relevance there as far as points per bar as well, giving us 1.88. Okay, so from this point, the time gave us the symmetry here. Now, going forward, from this low to this high where we're at, 140 bars. Okay, 140 is close to this 143 from this low to this high. So there's some one-to-one relevance there as far as how many bars. Okay, so we'll go, let's go, first off, from this low to this high, 143 plus 76 equals 219. So that whole leg was 219. So from this low, this whole move is 140. 219 divided by 140 is going to give us 1.56. Okay, so just like we had 1.88 here, because at this point, this was the whole wave up. Now we've made a new wave, so this high into this low to this high is the whole wave up. Okay, so 219 into 140 equals 1.56. This number is just like the 188. So we put that in, 1.56, relevance here. Okay, there's also a cluster at the 1.618. Okay, so just that right there would say, based off of this symmetry, this is a top. Okay, relative to Apple making another correction like this from this high down. Okay, so let's see, there's a lot of stuff on here. Points per bar on the first wave up, which was from this low to this high, okay, was 80 cents. The second wave from this low to this high is $2.50. Okay, so we break that down, divide that 250 into the 80, gives us 310. 310 divided by 2, 155. 155 is close to that 156. Okay, I mean it can't be any closer. So just like we break this down over here, right? 359 divided by 2, 179, close to 188. Break this down, divide by 2, 155. Okay, so as far as points, okay, points, we have 196 points up to here. Okay, we have 326 points up to here. Okay, divide those into each other, and we get 1.65. Okay, basically so these are reversed, okay, after the decimal, okay, so, but it's very close. Okay, so if this symmetry is true over here, all the time, everything like that gave us that symmetry, all the time, and the symmetry of the whole wave is saying right here has the same exact relevance. Okay, so what does that mean? It means off of this high, we have this ABC, okay, to correct the whole entire wave. Okay, so at this point, there's two levels to watch on Apple. Okay, first, if we take out the weekly doji close, okay, we close the doji on the weekly today, or this week, at these levels. So if we take out the low of this week, that would be the trigger, okay, to come back down to about 205. Okay, so now it always seems impossible, okay, when we're here, but just like here, okay, it most likely seemed impossible. We would come from 210 to 85, right? Same type of move, same type of structure, everything is the same. Okay, so we would think from this high, Apple would look similar to off of this high. Pull down, pull back up, and pull down into 205. Okay, so, I know this is confusing probably to someone that's new to symmetry and time. So you might want to go back and watch the video a couple times. But we're breaking it down by number of bars, points per bar, okay, and the points of the whole move. So the number of bars and the points are going to be different. Okay, just like the points per bar. It's all different. So there's 3 to 4 calculations. Now, that's in time. And then there's also calculations in price. So we use both of them. So if you are long Apple and we take out this week's low, okay, it would probably be better to sell and take your profit. Okay, now on the other side, Apple's at an all-time high. So this symmetry does have resistance here. Okay, but it's at an all-time high. So if we take out the high of this candle before the low, okay, Apple should continue higher. But just like in any uptrend, at some point it terminates. Okay, so right here is a good heads up for that possible termination. Okay, see you guys on the next video.